folks, I have a baritone to show you. This is a stock instrument I've been working on for over 6 months for sure. The back and sides are some beautiful myrtle. This is a tree that was in the Portland area. Some suburban forestry here. And the top is Douglas fir, another Oregon wood. In this case, the fir has got some like bear claw figure in it, which is really cool. And I love the little purfling that's on there. It's got myrtle binding. Salvaged mahogany neck. And then up front here we have a wood called black locust or locust. And that's another Oregon wood. It's really hard and it's good for fretboards. I just haven't used it much because of its light color. Most folks for fretboards want a more traditional darker color, but it really feels great as a fretboard. Yeah, and then a little leaf inlay with a little carving there. So Kevin from Wood from the West sent me some tops so we could talk a little bit about how they sound. And I really like fir because it's got kind of a woody, snappy tone. It's not quite as loud as spruce, but I like the woodiness of it. And this particular instrument is just like feather light, which of course I love. Long sustain on this one. So this is a stock instrument. It's available for sale on the website right now, and it's one that I started, last year, and then left almost finished over the winter while I rested from my hand surgeries, and I just kind of chipped away at it when I could. Cool. So that's number 941. Cheers.